Hi guys, good morning. My chicken are getting so smart now. It's been a week. I couldn't find eggs. I could hardly find eggs, around my garden. And then when I went inside to clean their water, I realized something is heavy. And then, see this? Ding! I first time in 6 months I had to buy eggs from supermarket because I thought there is something wrong with my chicken. And this is what happened over here. Ta-ding! I've been feeding them a lot. This is rice. I feed them rice in the morning, rice in the evening. I have to give them dry worms in the afternoon. In the evening, I give them spinach. But I get betrayed when I want eggs. This is a chicken. I raised her from egg in the incubator machine. Only two have survived. I had four more. There was a street cat around. That cat hunted them. This is the reason I put this, interlocks, because the cat is really smart. She digs and then she goes inside. I had more than 20 coils. There's a small chicken on the side. This one also is was born from the machine. The pipe is like a automatic water system. Every 2 hours it changes the water. I cover this thing up because of my kids. They will remove everything outside. Yep. And then this one.